चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
This is the graduation parade which is taking place as we
की
speak.
पहचान सिर्फ उसके नाम से नहीं होती देवियों और सज्जनों। कभी पूछकर देखो तो अपनी टुकड़ी से वे अपना नाम और अपने कर्मों से अपनी टुकड़ी की पहचान बतलाते हैं। परेड में शामिल कैडेट अब आपके सामने मार्च करते हुए अपने कौशल, तालमेल और अनुशासन का प्रदर्शन करेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, when the Nishan Toli passes in front of you, all are requested to rise and those in uniform to salute.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, जब निशान डोली आपके सामने से गुजरती है तो आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि आप अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं और जो वर्दी में हैं वे सलामी दें। मंच के आगे गुजरने से पहले परेड निकट लाइन से खुले लाइन में बदल जाएगी और धीमी मार्च करते हुए माननीय वायुसेना अध्यक्ष का अभिवंदन करेगी। As the marching contingent approach the dais, may I now direct your attention to the 3 Chetak helicopter formation led by Wing Commander Vikramaditya Jaiswal. Approaching from left to give an airborne salute to the reviewing officer.
once again change formation to close order and continue with quick march to reposition in front of the dais. Band is now marching in front of you, playing the tune Vayu Shakti, composed by Air Veteran Wing Commander P.K. Jena, VSM.
Parade holds great significance in armed forces. It reinforces discipline and esprit de corps and instills sense of pride in uniform. Parade is thus a way of life for the personnel in the armed forces, as it also portrays the might of the country's armed forces and level of war preparedness.
Ladies and gentlemen, the confidence and pride in the marching contingent silently reflects that together we march to a new life, each step ahead of the other, not looking back but still remembering our roots, looking ahead to inculcate in others what we have learned in here. As the parade contingent marches by, arms swinging in synchronization, heels digging in, we are proud of the burning desire that the training at the Air Force Academy has kindled in these young cadets. During their training at the Air Force Academy, the trainees being commissioned today have imbibed knowledge, leadership skills, and value systems. Most importantly, they have been trained to lead with professionalism and dedication. This is in accordance with the mission of the Air Force Academy to train air warriors of highest professional, intellectual, physical, and moral caliber for a lifetime of service to the Indian Air Force and the nation. Today, these young entrants who have joined from the National Defense Academy and universities all over the country would be commissioned as worthy Indian Air Force officers who would go on to achieve the Indian Air Force motto of touch the sky with glory. After the parade halts, it would present general salute to the Chief of the Air Staff in a reviewing order.
दीक्षांत परेड, अयोगदान, पुरस्कार वितरण और शपथ ग्रहण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अब आप देख सकते हैं कैडेट्स आगे बढ़ते हुए पद विदान के लिए 3 अनुभागों में मंच के सामने खड़े होंगे। वहीं आपकी दाहिनी ओर से जूनियर कैडेट्स एयर क्रू बैचेस लिए और कमीशन होने वाले कैडेट्स के कैप के सफेद बैंड और कंधे से सफेद फ्लैशेस हटाने के लिए अपना स्थान ले रहे हैं। आज कैडेट्स के 3 अनुभागों को वायुसेना अध्यक्ष, एयर ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ प्रशिक्षण कमांड और कमांडेंट वायुसेना अकादमी द्वारा पदवी अनुदान की जाएगी।
The trainees being commissioned today are Flying Officer Happy Singh, Flying Officer Jagbir Singh,
Flying Officer Siddharth Nehra,
Flying Officer Priyam Shankaram,
Flying Officer Kalpesh Yadav,
Flying Officer Likhit S,
Flying Officer Charanjit Singh Gill,
Flying Officer Rahul Yadav,
Flying Officer Hariom III,
Flying Officer Riddhi Lale,
Flying Officer Rohan Singh Aswal,
Flying Officer Mukul Rana,
Flying Officer Akriti Sharma,
Flying Officer Sahil Chaudhary,
Flying Officer Ritvik B. Kamath,
Flying Officer Ankur,
Flying Officer Parth Mehta,
Flying Officer Ajay Kumar,
Flying Officer Rupesh Thakur,
Flying Officer Ravikant Chaudhary,
Flying Officer Sahil,
Flying Officer Alice Mehta,
Flying Officer Abhishek Mishra,
Flying Officer Vaibhav Sharma,
Flying Officer Gaurav Lohmi,
Flying Officer Virat Jangam,
Flying Officer Ayushi Singh,
Flying Officer Ayush,
Flying Officer Param Pratik Singh,
Flying Officer Nivedita Saini,
Flying Officer Sudhir Kumar Yadav,
Flying Officer T. Hema Sundar,
Flying Officer Haroop Kaur,
Flying Officer Prince Dangi,
Flying Officer Sharifuddin Mondal,
Flying Officer Sam Emmanuel Rosario,
Flying Officer Yitendra Singh,
Flying Officer Abhishek Mattu,
Flying Officer Rajat,
Flying Officer Arman Singh Sehgal,
अगली लाइन मार्को मुट तेज
Flying Officer Sudhir